Welcome to Lesson 20. Today we learn error handling, so your shell scripts can fail gracefully and clean up after themselves. Let us get started. Every command returns an exit code when it finishes. 0 means success. Any non-zero value means failure. You can check the exit code with $? or use if, and or operators. Use exit n to return a custom exit code from your scripts. Let us create a script to explore exit codes. Listing an existing directory returns exit code 0 for success. Listing a non-existent path returns exit code 1 for failure. We can set custom exit codes like 42 with the exit command. The if statement checks exit codes automatically. The OR operator runs the fallback only when the first command fails. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see exit codes in action. Notice how each command returns a different exit code. Strict mode makes your scripts fail fast instead of silently continuing. Set -e exits on the first error. Set -u catches undefined variables. Set -o pipefail ensures pipe failures are not hidden. Combine all three with set -euo pipefail, the gold standard. Let us create a script to explore strict mode. Without set -e, the script continues even after false. With set -e, the subshell stops immediately on error. Without set -u, undefined variables expand to empty strings silently. With set -u, referencing an undefined variable triggers an error. Without pipefail, a failing pipe still shows exit code 0. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see strict mode in action. Each option catches a different type of silent failure. The trap command runs code when your script receives a signal. Trap on exit runs cleanup code no matter how the script ends. You can create error functions that log messages and exit cleanly. Key signals are exit, ERR, INT, and term. Let us create a script to explore trap and cleanup. A basic trap fires its code when the subshell exits. We can use trap to automatically remove temp files on exit. Trapping ERR catches errors and reports the line number. Error functions provide reusable error handling with custom messages. The full pattern combines strict mode with trap for robust scripts. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see traps in action. Traps ensure your cleanup code always runs, even on errors. Let us recap Lesson 20. Exit codes let you check if commands succeeded or failed. Strict mode with set-EUO pipefail catches errors early. Trap and cleanup ensure your scripts always clean up after themselves. Next, finding files with find and FD. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for new lesson alerts. See you in the next one.